Hi, I'm Dave, and in this video we will be exploring the Sendiio 3.0 OTOs and what you need to know. Sendiio 3.0 OTOs, one-time offers, are a suite of powerful marketing automation tools designed to help businesses maximize their leads, sales, and profits. These OTOs offer an array of features such as email autoresponders, list building and segmentation capabilities, lead magnet delivery systems, webinar integration, and more. With Sendiio 3.0 OTOs, marketers can automate mundane tasks like customer onboarding processes or create automated campaigns to increase engagement with existing customers and prospects alike. Additionally, Sendiio 3.0 offers a variety of templates for creating custom-tailored emails that can be used to nurture leads while simultaneously increasing conversions from existing customers. With the right combination of timing and creativity in your campaigns, you can easily build relationships with potential buyers while boosting your bottom line at the same time. Discover the benefits of Sendiio 3.0 OTO1 and harness the power of automated email marketing. Are you looking for a way to take your email marketing efforts to the next level? If so, Sendiio 3.0 OTO1 may be just what you need. This tool is designed to help users harness the power of automated email marketing in order to maximize their success and reach more potential customers than ever before. In this video, we'll explore what makes Sendiio 3.0 OTO1 such an effective tool and how it can help you achieve your business goals. Sendiio 3.0 OTO1 is a comprehensive suite of features and tools that enable users to create highly personalized campaigns for their target audience with ease. The software includes an intuitive visual builder that allows users to quickly craft emails with images, text blocks, videos, and other elements that are tailored specifically for their subscribers' needs or interests. Additionally, Sendio's sophisticated automation tools allow marketers to send out triggered emails based on user behavior or customer lifecycle milestones like cart abandonment or recent purchases, all without having them manually write each message themselves. Plus, users can even track performance metrics like open rates and click-throughs in real time so they can continually optimize their strategies as they go along. Another great feature included in Sendio's 3.0 OTO1 is its integration capabilities with popular third-party services such as Zapier and Salesforce CRM systems, so marketers have access to even more powerful data points about their contacts' activity across platforms, e.g., website visits. By leveraging these integrations alongside built-in segmentation options like demographic targeting, age/gender, location tracking, geo-targeting, or purchase history insights, businesses are able to develop far more accurate profiles for each contact, which ultimately leads them down a path towards much higher conversion rates from both existing customers as well as new prospects alike. Finally, one last major benefit associated with using Sendio's 3.0 OTO1 is its ability to generate detailed reports which provide valuable insight into campaign engagement over time, allowing marketers to determine exactly where improvements need made and helping identify any opportunities that exist within particular segments, enabling further optimization and boosting overall ROI on all future initiatives being launched through platform itself. All told, if you're looking for an easy way to increase efficiency and effectiveness of your digital marketing efforts, then utilizing the latest iteration from industry leaders at Sendio's could prove to be worthwhile investment indeed. Now let's discover the incredible benefits of Sendiio 3.0 OTO2. If you're looking to get the most out of your marketing campaigns, then you'll want to learn more about Sendiio 3.0 OTO2, an amazing upgrade that can take your business to the next level. Now we will explore what makes Sendiio 3.0 OTO2 so powerful and why it is worth investing in for any serious marketer or business owner who wants to maximize their success online. Sendiio 3.0 OTO2 is a suite of tools designed specifically for marketers who are looking for a way to easily create automated email campaigns and other types of digital marketing efforts with just a few clicks of a button. This easy-to-use platform allows users to quickly build out effective campaigns without needing extensive technical knowledge or experience, as well as manage multiple channels at once from one simple interface, making it ideal for busy entrepreneurs and marketers alike who don't have time or resources available for complex setup processes. One thing that sets Sendiio apart from many other platforms is its ability to easily integrate with popular services like WordPress, Shopify, GetResponse, Aweber, Campaign Monitor, and more, allowing users to sync up data across all their accounts in one place, which can save them considerable amounts of time when creating new campaigns and managing existing ones too. Additionally, features like autoresponders make sending personalized emails quick and easy, while segmentation capabilities let businesses target specific customer segments based on factors such as location, demographics, etc., ensuring they get maximum return on investment through targeted messages sent only to those most likely interested in what's being offered. Another great perk of using Sendio's 3.0 OTO 2 is the ability to track conversions and engagement metrics via real-time analytics dashboards, so businesses can see exactly how successful their efforts have been after launching any given campaign, example, open rate percentage, click-through rate, etc. This powerful feature helps ensure maximum ROI by allowing marketers or business owners to adjust strategies accordingly if needed, something not possible without access to these kinds of insights into user behavior patterns and trends over time. Finally, yet importantly, due to its robust security protocols plus high encryption standards, customers know their sensitive data stored safely within their system is protected against malicious attacks and hackers alike, giving added assurance and peace of mind when dealing with potentially sensitive information such as names, addresses, payment details, etc. All told, this upgraded version brings plenty of value worth considering whether already taking advantage of the previous plan offerings or not. If you've been looking for an all-in-one marketing platform, then you may have heard this software has revolutionized the way marketers can manage their campaigns and is becoming increasingly popular among businesses of all sizes. Now we will break down exactly what these OTOs are and how they can benefit your business. Sendiio 3.0 offers several one-time offers or OTOs that allow users to upgrade their accounts and take advantage of extra features or services associated with the platform. These upgrades include access to additional email templates, SMS autoresponders, push notifications, sequence automation tools, advanced analytics tools, dedicated support teams, and more. With these upgrades in place, users can maximize their results while making sure they stay up to date on industry trends and best practices in digital marketing strategy development, as well as execution tactics across multiple channels, including email campaigns and social media ads management systems. Should you consider upgrading your account with Sendio's OTOs? As mentioned earlier, upgrading your account with one or more of these OTOs provides a variety of benefits, such as additional features like automated sequences that help save time when setting up campaigns, access to exclusive content from experts in the field, improved analytics so you can track the performance of your campaigns, increased customer service support, better integration between platforms used for running marketing efforts, example, CRM platform, plus much more. Allowing marketers to easily optimize their strategies according to current market trends that make it easier for them to keep ahead of competitors who don't have access to such resources at hand, which makes investing in one or more OTOs a wise decision indeed. What types of benefits can you expect from the different OTOs available through Sendiio 3.0? Depending on which OTO or OTOs you purchase, there are different levels, types, or scopes available depending upon each individual customer's needs. Some may offer basic level packages while others provide comprehensive solutions. Either way, there is something suitable out there for everyone's budget and requirements. Generally speaking, core benefits most users look forward to include upgraded user interface and usability enhancements, expanded channel capabilities enabling multi-channel marketing tactics, including social media and mobile, advanced segmentation options allowing greater customization. Now let's start off by discussing what's exactly in each of the Sendiio 3.0 OTOs. In OTO 1, the Advanced Email Automation Suite is $67. This upgrade gives users access to advanced email automation capabilities such as segmentation, tagging, dynamic content blocks, and much more. With this suite in place, marketers will be able to quickly create sophisticated automated campaigns that ensure maximum engagement and conversion rates from their prospects or customers. In OTO 2, the text message autoresponders is $47. This upgrade provides users with access to powerful text message autoresponders that allow them to easily send personalized messages directly to the phones of their customers or prospects whenever needed. Example, when someone purchases a product. These messages can include discounts or promotions which help drive conversions even further. In OTO 3, the Facebook Messenger bots is $37. If you want extra control over your customer interactions, then this upgrade is perfect for you. It allows users to set up automated Facebook Messenger bots which respond instantly when triggered by certain events. Example, when someone sends in an inquiry. These bots make it easy for businesses to provide fast customer service while also gathering valuable data about customer behavior or interests in order to better target future marketing campaigns. In OTO 4, you get lifetime updates and support for only $97. This is the last OTO but not the least. This provides lifetime updates and support which ensures that any problems encountered during usage are solved promptly without having any additional costs or maintenance fees, etc. Not only does this feature keep things running smoothly, but it also ensures that the user always has access to up-to-date versions, and they never miss out on new features or bug fixes. In conclusion, the Sendiio 3.0 OTOs are an excellent way for marketers to get more out of their email marketing efforts. These OTOs provide easy-to-use features and powerful automation capabilities that enable marketers to create highly effective campaigns quickly and easily. Furthermore, the Sendiio OTOs also come with a variety of other features such as list segmentation, lead scoring and tracking, as well as integration with various third-party services and platforms. All in all, these Sendiio 3.0 OTOs are an invaluable tool for any serious marketer looking to increase their sales conversions or improve customer engagement. I hope this video has been helpful and you can now decide which OTOs are a good fit for your business. Make sure to click on my link below this video to get Sendiio 3.0 and my huge bonus package that you will receive if you purchase through my link. You will get immediate access to my bonuses on the JVZoo page after you complete your purchase. You will see a link on that page called Affiliates Bonus. When you click on that page, you will have immediate access to my huge mega bonus. Thanks again for watching.